Alright, what's up ladies and gentlemen? So welcome back to another video. So today we are back at the Sunday night market, which is one of Chiang Mai's most famous walking street. We haven't been here for a while. I think the last time we were here was about like 2 months ago. So that was before Thailand started opening a little bit more. So right now there's actually a lot more tourists or more foreigners here now. So we're gonna go check it out to see how different it is from 2 months ago. And hopefully we can get some food and maybe buy some Lana clothes for our school. So come along, let's go.
That's new.
That's it. So I guess you don't need to show your vaccinations anymore. Maybe it's because Thailand's slowly opening up, so they're not really requiring you to show proof of vaccination anymore. Okay, that's something different compared to last time. So far it looks like everything's still the same. Maybe a little bit more vendors and more people this time. Still lively as usual. Cái tôi sẽ nào mà cái tôi đầy kỹ đó.
80 baht. Oh my god, $2. สวัสดีค่ะ นวดกันไหมคะ Or let's get a massage. A massage.
สวัสดีครับ นี่เท่าไหร่ครับ
220
220 โอเคเอาไปหนึ่งเก่า
Or I smell monkey.
What?
I smell monkey. It looks like it's gonna rain. It seems like there's actually a lot more vendors on this side of the intersection. It used to be completely empty in the middle. Look at the sky. The rain's coming in. Well, it's raining. Everyone's rushing to put their stuff away. Happy Sunday, guys, to the Sunday night market. Came on the wrong day. I didn't think it was gonna rain this hard. It's raining pretty hard. I don't know how you're gonna drive home. It should stop, right?
It should stop for a while. I think we should go hide over there under the roof.
How you doing?
Good. I need to dry my glasses.
Wow. Wow, look at that.
Hurry up, cover up that backpack. Long wind, puddle, heavy rain, here's glasses, rain. I know, right?